Today I'm going to change out a windshield wiper that is connected to the hook arm. So first I'm going to take the arm up, turn the windshield wiper upside down, and right there is where it's connected to the hook. Okay, you see that button? I'm going to press that button in, and then I'm going to pull the windshield wiper down, and it'll come off. So with my left hand, I'm going to push the button in, and then with my right hand pull down like so, and there you go. And there's the old windshield wiper. So I'm replacing it with the Bosch windshield wiper, and this has a flange instead of a button. There's the hook right there. I'm going to take the top of the windshield wiper right in the middle there and put it underneath the hook, and then I'm going to push forward until it clicks into place. And there we go. Okay, simple. Now I'm going to do the other one and test it out. All right, it works. Thank you for watching.